Shit, man, that's funny as hell.
What?
So Phil came downstairs to find me. He was looking around, he couldn't see me. Then he said, "Go." And I said, "What?" He goes, I was going, "What the hell was that?"
What the hell was that, Phil? That wasn't what we planned. You failed again. This is a professional making burgers, right?
What?
Professional making burgers.
I don't know. I guess compared to the rest of you guys, sure.
He worked at McDonald's for like 6 years.
6 years. 6 years, same wage. Here, is that big enough? Look at that. He's a professional, but asking us. Boy, I was like, I don't know what you guys want to eat.
He is unprofessional.
Unprofessional, uneducated. Is this for your class?
No.
It's not.
Look who it is.
It's me in shorts.
Came over to eat, huh?
How was your test?
We thought you were missing again or something.
No.
We were calling and they couldn't find you.
I was getting a ride.
How was your test? Bad?
Average.
Man, you know school starts next week.
No?
27th. Yeah, it's next week. It is.
2 weeks.
No, next week.
It's like, what?
It's like a week and a half.
It was 18 today.
It's like 9 more days.
Yeah, it's like next week.
Oh, we ate all this chicken. You see, on the ground, look at all the chicken bone.
You gotta feed
that's
it.
our sink right there.
Expensive chicken bone.
We could wash our hands right there.
What is David and you doing?
David's downstairs.
They're watching Survivor, man.
Well, Yi opened a WoW account so you could play that too.
Oh, by himself?
Yeah, because he's not gonna play that much. So you can play it at your house. Since your account's now his account.
If I get bored.
I don't know, man. I'm getting pretty bored of WoW.
It's because you're not level 70.
Man, it's a hard level low, man.
It takes forever.
1 week and I'm what? Level... I gained 4 levels.